Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to report a scam on Upwork. If you've come across a suspicious job posting that looks fraudulent or contains questionable links, knowing how to flag it properly helps keep the platform safer for everyone. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. This is important because you'll need to be logged in to access the reporting features and flag any suspicious job posts you encounter. Now, before we continue, here's an important note. This video is for tutorial purposes only. I do not encourage any form of harassment, misuse, or targeting of accounts. The goal here is simply to show you the proper way to report genuinely suspicious activity on the platform. Once you're logged in, scroll down through your feed or search results and look for the job post you want to report. When you find the suspicious listing, click on it to open the full job details. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can view all the information about that particular job posting. Again, it's crucial to understand that this video is for tutorial purposes only and is not intended to harm, target, or misuse any individual or account. It is created to guide users on how to report a scam on Upwork through the proper channels provided by the platform. Now take a look at the right panel of the job post page. You'll see several options available there. Look for the option that says Flag as inappropriate and click on it. This opens up Upwork's reporting interface, which allows you to specify exactly what kind of issue you've identified with this particular job posting. From the list of reporting options that appears, select job post looks like a scam or contains a suspicious link. This category is specifically designed for fraudulent listings or posts that might be trying to redirect users to harmful external sites. Choosing the right category helps Upwork's trust and safety team prioritize and investigate your report more effectively. Next, you'll see a designated field where you can enter your reason for flagging this job. Be as specific as possible here. Explain what made you suspicious, whether it's an unusual payment method, a request for personal information, or links that seem suspicious. The more detail you provide, the better equipped Upwork's team will be to review and take appropriate action on your report. Once you've entered your explanation, click Submit. Your report will be sent to Upwork's moderation team for review. They'll investigate the job post based on the information you've provided and take necessary action if they determine it violates platform policies. And that's it. You've successfully reported a suspicious job post on Upwork, helping to maintain a safer freelancing environment for everyone on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.